Creating a Budget, Basics and Benefits. Hey there, and welcome back to another lesson in our financial journey. Today, we're tackling a game changer, budgeting. If you've ever wondered where your money disappears every month, this is for you. Stick around, and I'll show you how to take control of your finances and make every dollar work for you. What is a budget and why it's important? A budget is simply a plan for your money. It tells you how much you're earning, spending, and saving. Without one, it's easy to overspend and feel lost. With a budget, you can make smarter financial decisions, avoid debt, and save for the things that truly matter. Step 1. Track your income. The first step to creating a budget is knowing your income. List all your income sources, your salary, side hustle earnings, or any other cash flow. This forms the foundation of your budget. Step 2. List your expenses. Fixed expenses stay the same each month. Rent, mortgage, car. Payment, insurance, variable expenses change monthly. Groceries, utilities, entertainment. Next, list all your expenses. Start with your fixed expenses, things like rent, car payments, and insurance. Then add your variable expenses, groceries, utilities, dining out, and entertainment. And don't forget those once-a-year costs like holiday gifts or subscriptions. Step 3. Calculate the difference. Now subtract your expenses from your income. If you have extra money, awesome. You can use it for savings or investments. But if your expenses exceed your income, it's time to cut back. Maybe eat out less, cancel unused subscriptions, or find more affordable options. Step 4. Apply the 50-30-20 rule. One of the simplest budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs. Housing, food, transportation. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, dining out. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Following this rule helps you balance your spending while still saving for the future. Step 5. Adjust and stay flexible. Remember, your budget isn't set in stone. Life changes, and so should your budget. Got a raise? You can save more. An unexpected expense? Adjust your budget. The key is to review it regularly and make changes when needed. Step 6. Monitor and track your spending. Keeping track of your spending helps you stay on budget. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook to monitor where your money is going. Action plan recap and motivation. Action plan. Track your income. List all fixed and variable expenses. Subtract expenses from income. Follow the 50-30-20 rule for balance. Adjust as needed. Use tools to monitor spending. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about empowering yourself. Take control, set goals, and watch your financial future transform. See you in the next lesson. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more financial tips. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? Drop a comment below.